Do you know what holiness means? It's a bit of a challenge, that one, hey? So what I thought we could do is have a look at what holiness means in terms of God. Did you know that the Bible tells us that God is holy? There is no other person or creation that is as holy as God is. Now, holiness means that God is perfect. He has no sin in him, and he is absolutely perfect. Right, in the world though, we have sin. Really ugly looking sin. But if we tried to put some sin in God, nothing can change God. He will remain perfect. Did you know that we are created in God's image? God created me and he created you to be holy. Unfortunately, we can see in the Bible that sin came into our lives. I know it would be really nice if we could just blame Adam and Eve and be done with it, but the Bible tells us in Romans that all have sinned and fall short of God's glory. That means, as much as I don't want to, sin even entered my life. But the good news is that God has the perfect plan to get us back to being holy. He sent his son Jesus. Jesus is perfect. He has absolutely no sin in him, just like God. So now, what happens next? Well, Jesus then, he died on the cross for us, and he took on all of our sin. Isn't that amazing? He doesn't just leave us there empty. He then takes us and he fills us with his Holy Spirit, so that we once again can be holy, just the way God has called us to be.